Hello everyone. Today we will study about objectives of construction management under the project planning and construction management. So there are a lot of reasons why one should set objective for a particular project. Not only because they help you stabilize what is you are doing and when you are doing to do it by. If project manager don't set a project objective, they risk to spend a lot of time working on things that really are not all that relevant to your project, and that can be a massive waste of effort. So it is important to set clear objectives for your project and communicate them to your project team members so they will know in which direction they are heading. So you probably have experience setting objectives and they probably are included in your project charter or other early project documentation like a project initiation document, and your sponsor should agree them and have a large input into putting them together. What is objective of construction management? So a project objective is defined as a specific event that a person or organization or a company focus to accomplish within a predefined time frame. We have studied about the predefined time frame in our previous videos. So objectives are different from goals, fact, and both are connected but separated terms. So goals are usually broad and long-term outcomes, whereas objectives are the tangible results of short-term activities that address the project goals. So, uh, but you have ever thought about how you could categorize your project objectives and whether you are making a comparative list? So sometimes it takes very little to overlook core objectives. So if you don't think holistically about the whole project and what you want to achieve. So here are six type of objectives of project, which are financial, quality, technical, performance, compliance, and business. So what is financial objective? So financial objective usually have direct impact on our company or organization's financial state and are measured in the monetary terms. So financial objectives are normally relatively easy to put together, and you will find your sponsor is keen to make sure that if your project's goal is to save or make money or even to avoid cost, that this should be properly recorded in this project objectives. So generally tracking and measuring project expenses is essential because spending more than what is planned could cause harm to the overall project and could obstruct its success. So in the end, your project may deliver a clear financial return. For example, launching a new product to the customer market or make a financial saving such as closing an underperforming office. What is quality objectives? So there may be some quality objectives for your project, such as delivering to certain internal or external quality standards. The quality objectives of a project also manifest themselves in the form of project improvement projects that aim to reduce defects or increase customer satisfaction somehow. So you may find that quality objectives are included in your quality plan. You can take them from there and include them in the main body of your project and project documentation, or vice versa, as you will probably write the quality plan after you charter. Then technical objectives. Technical objective often encompass activities and efforts related to different kind of technology that is required for a successful completion of a project. So companies already have technology in use. So a technical objective could be to upgrade existing technology, install new technology, or even to make use of existing technology during the deployment of the project. Technology comes in different forms, so this could include mobile devices or telephones, as well as hardware, software, and networking capabilities. Performance objectives. The performance objectives are associated with the improvement of product, service, or processes. So if the project require that some process or service need to be improved, here is where project manager set performance objectives. So performance objective can also be related to how the project will run. So they could include things like delivering to a specific budget figure or by a certain date. Project managers could also have performance objective related to achieving a particular project scope, such as the number of requirements that will be completed or achieving customer sign off. Compliance objective. Regulations, procedures, standards, and policies are tightly connected with the project compliance objective. So every project, regardless of the industry, should be compliant with something, whether is a particular standard, rule, regulation, or requirement. Meeting compliance objective in the project management could be a great challenge and requires through always analysis and planning of the project. Regulatory requirement from compliance objectives. For example, there could be the obligation to meet legal guidance on your project or to comply with local regulations. So a construction project could also have the objective to meet or exceed healthy and safety targets. So the last one is business objectives. The key drivers for the project are the business objectives. So every business has business goals and objectives, and this should be aligned with the project so that it is completed with success. Business objectives are very important to be clear, defined, because they create a real value for the company and the project itself. Business objectives could include launching a new product, opening or closing an office, or anything else that is the main reason for delivering the project. So all the above mentioned objectives which is directly impact the success of the project have to be prioritized. The most people would say that business objectives are the most important as without these you don't really have a project. But beside the business objective, project manager should pay attention to all the above mentioned project objectives because they largely impact the project and the overall business. So, we should follow all the objectives for the successful completion of the project. So, thanks for